Hi, this video is going to be on using commas correctly. So this first sentence we have uses commas. The world, as we all know, can be a scary place. So we have our two commas here, and this is a correct usage of commas because it creates parentheses. So this is additional knowledge, but it still doesn't break grammatical rules, so it's not a comma splice, which we want to try and avoid. Now, this second sentence, Saturday is my favourite day, comma, I always visit my parents. Now, this is an example of an incorrect use of a comma, because really what should be in here is a conjunction such as because. So that makes the sentence makes sense. So Saturday is my favourite day because I always visit my parents. Because these are two sort of separate things in themselves, we can't use a comma to connect them because that would be grammatically incorrect. And often when we do see an incorrect use of a comma, it will be because it needs a conjunction, it needs like a word like because or and, or it needs to just be split up into two different sentences because it doesn't work as one sentence with a comma in between. Thanks for listening.